Face masks can help purify, soothe, and rejuvenate the skin while relaxing you at the same time. I'm Jackie with how to make a face mask that treats pimples. The mask incorporates green clay, which is good for treating acne and problematic skin because it's rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium. Mix together 2 ounces of green clay and a tablespoon of corn flour. Take out 1 tablespoon of the mixture and add 1 teaspoon of water and essential oils of your choice. Make a paste, adding water as needed. Apply over the entire face, being careful to avoid the eye area and lips. It's always best to check with your doctor before trying any home remedies. Leave the mask on for about 15 minutes and allow it to dry and tighten and draw the oils out. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. Follow with a moisturizer for your skin type. Remember to make a face mask that treats pimples. Make a paste with green clay, water, corn flour, and essential oils. Leave on till dry, then rinse thoroughly and follow up with moisturizer. Don't forget the sunscreen. I'm Jackie with how to make a face mask that treats pimples. Have a beautiful day.